So long, like I heard about this from so many YouTubers. This is the street quirky up your hair product. This is like a shampoo brush. You can shampoo your hair with this, and of course this is very useful for massaging. Like you apply oil in your hair and massage. This feels literally just so good. Then the next product I order is the Bronzone Professional Hair Wrap Towel. It is basically a hair wrap towel. Like whenever you wash your hair, you actually have to wrap up your hair. Most of you seen this product online very well, and this is of a very good material. This is not the cheapest material you have ever come across. So this is the good for your wet hair, cause whenever your hair was wet, it is most likely to damage with clothes like your regular towel. So it is good to use this. Then the next product I order is this Leave-On Hair Serum. I always order this, like many times I use this, like many bottles of this I used already, and this is my go-to serum. I didn't like the pink one of Leave-On. There are two types of Leave-On. The pink one I didn't like very much, but this is best for my hair. Like this is suiting my hair very well, so that's why I ordered this. Then I give it a try on the Nykaa Ultra Fresh Intimate Hygiene. So of course people out there who has very like a different opinion on using intimate hygiene product, but for me it is using it is like doing well. So I use this intimate hygiene product from so long, and it's not harming anything. So it's your personal choice if you want to use it or not. So I'm not promoting this here like you have to buy it or stuff. I just wanted to give it a shout out that this is good for and it gives ultra freshness as it says. So that's why I ordered this. Then the next product I order is my favorite one. This is the Rexona Aloe Vera Odor Protection, and this says it's lasts for 48 hours, but no, it's not true. Of course it lasts you for 8 or 10 hours, like yeah, maybe for 10 or 12 hours. But this is so good if you are an office girl, if you're a college girl, and you sweat a lot, then this will be helpful for you. And all the product what I purchased from Nykaa, I'll give it a link in the description box itself. Then I ordered the facial tissue. Like every house need facial tissue, so this is the like a very basic purchase. This is the Tulips super absorbent, super soft, and it is basically 100 pull. Like you get 100 of tissue in this box. And the next is also I purchased the tissue, and this is the 200 pulls. This is for like your kitchen stuff, and this is you can use this in your kitchen, in your living room, wherever. And this is the facial tissue. Like you can use this on your face too, but of course you can use this also on your face, but it's like a two different things, so that I just purchased that, right? Then the next thing I order is the next thing is it is a Tulip refreshing wet wipes. Every girl need wet wipes, like it's a indeed thing for your bag to carry. So of course I ordered the Tulip one. I also ordered the Johnson one. I use that and I love using that, but this time I just felt less just necessary, right? So the next thing I wanted to share is I ordered bunch of things from Purple. This is my second purchase from Purple. Like Purple is just new to me, so I didn't order expensive stuff from them. So I'm just like keeping my eye on Purple, like what they're up to or not. So the first product I ordered from Purple is the nail remover by NY Bay. I never heard about this brand, but you know, trying new things is my favorite thing to do, and I paint my nails very often. As you can see, I'm a nail girl. I love painting my nails from different colors, from different, you know, nail art and stuff. So I need this a lot. I have already the Lakme one, but this is like the Lakme one is at a verge of finishing it, so I ordered this. Then the next thing I order is, of course, nail polishes. These are the nail polishes from NY. This has like a glittery, sparkly thing in it. I don't know what to call it. And this, I am like addicted to matte, you know, matte finish nail polishes. Those I ordered this. I don't know which shade it is, but I'll give you the name in the description. Then I ordered another bunch of nail polishes. This is from a different brand. This is I don't know how to pronounce it. This is Bella Voste or something. I don't know. These are the two different shades. I love lilac because I am a army girl, so that's why I ordered this color. And then I ordered I heard a review about this product a lot. This is the Lipping on Broadway Lip Plumper by NY Bay. I but I heard about it, so I'm like, let's just give it a try. So that's why I purchased it. Then I purchased charcoal peel off mask. Like, peel off masks are so satisfying. I just love peeling off. Of course, it's giving me tears too, but I just love peeling off. This is the most satisfying thing in the world for me. So that's why I ordered the Good Vibes charcoal activated charcoal peel off mask, and this is of 100-gram product. This it's gonna last me for years, of course. Then I never thought, like, you know, Purple give, like, I heard you're getting free gifts from Purple, but I am like, क्या ही मिल रहा होगा, like pouches मिल जाओगे, you know, ट्रायल प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए छोटे छोटे पैक्स मिल रहे होंगे, समथिंग समथिंग. Surprised by this. This is the Good Vibe Onion Hair Fall Control Serum, and on the side you are actually, you know, allowed to choose your free gifts. Like this, that's so cool. Like, that's freaking cool. The last thing I ordered is the Tulips cotton bugs. This is also a regular purchase. And no, that's not the last thing. I also ordered the vitamin C skin glow face serum, and this is the 10 ml product. I don't know what I'm getting in this. I really don't know. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is basically a face serum. I like having a dark spot lately, so I ordered the vitamin C and B3 skin glow face serum from Good Vibes. So yeah, that's all from today's video. And if you have any question about these products, any question about you know, the site, the shopping, you can ask me in the comment section. And please do share this with your friends, and if you find anything useful, please give it at least a like. And thank you so much for watching up till the last end. So yeah, bye bye.